Guys, I'm not kidding, like, ugh. Hello my lovelies and welcome to another video. This time it's going to be a very different video. Why is this so messy? I'm a messy person. It's going to be a very different video because I kind of was not really planning on doing this, but I'm being very spontaneous. So you guys know that I had a foot surgery. How long ago now? 10 days ago? I don't know. But I'm kind of limited in what I can do and film, and I'm really super relying on you guys requesting some videos and commenting right now below on what you would like to see next. So hey, my loyal YouTube family, please let me know what you would like me to film, and as always I will super stick to your recommendations, like requests is the better word, yes, and I will do that for you. In the meanwhile, during the fashion month, my sister has done a little haul. During fashion month I wanted to buy a few of my favorite skincare products because I was running out, and my sister said like, hey, you got this code from YesStyle, can I do the haul for you and maybe you can unbox it on YouTube, and I want to see your face as you unbox it, as I'm gonna do like a full-on surprises for you. Some of them are gonna be kind of like how well do I know you, and some of them are gonna be funny. And I was like, I'm not quite sure if my audience is gonna like that, but these are basically products that my sister bought thinking that I need them and thinking that I'm gonna love them. So I'm gonna be very brutally honest and say if I love them or I hate them and if she got them right or not. Usually I do have a YesStyle code for discount and I will leave code here. I just wanted to say that this video is not sponsored because I know sometimes these kind of videos can seem a little bit sponsored. But 9. I have a crate of stuff. A crate, guys, I'm not kidding, like, ugh. And I'm gonna start straight showing you what I found here. And since I'm kind of like homebound for a little bit, it's really tough for me because I'm such a like out kind of like social person.
Because I am bored out of my mind. I've already been to the bank, the post office, and the dry cleaners.
Okay, quiet please, I'm filming. So I'm such a like a kind of social person. It's so hard for me staying at home and filming videos at home and just doing everything at home. I find it quite difficult, but hopefully it's just how much longer? It's around, well, when you're watching this it's gonna be less than 10 days, but it's like 10 days more from now, and then I'm gonna be moving to my new place. I was supposed to actually move already at the beginning of March, but it was just not possible to move with one foot functioning. So hopefully you will be watching like the process of moving and me like losing. Let's start. So the first thing that I'm grabbing from here is something very bulky, and it's Milk Balm body cleanser. It says it's body care. It's called the G9 Milk Balm body cleanser. That's it. It's like a Korean, I can see that it's in Korean alphabet. Oh, it looks very nice. I love usually like Korean packaging. It's always so adorable. Does it smell like milk? Oh my god, it does not smell like milk. It smells really nice, like kind of milky creamy in a way. Then I got like a very, maybe I should place this. I got a very random package of 10 toothbrushes, like really the most random thing I have ever received in my life. But I think the point of my sister was that I either often will have guests in my new place, and I also often travel, so I like to have like a travel toothbrush and one at home, because in the morning when I'm closing the suitcase, when I'm brushing my teeth, I already like to have another one. You know what I mean? Like, yeah. This is very lol. I got something that is completely in Korean. Purito Snail Repair Advanced Serum. I've heard about Snail Repair Advanced Serum. 93% snail mucus filtrate. Soothing, rejuvenating hyaluronic acid and panthenol strengthening skin barrier. So it's like basically vitamins, hyaluronic acid, and like barrier for the skin. That's pretty good. Like, I have never tried any snail product, so I'm kind of apprehensive. I'm not sure what to think. Oh my god, my wardrobe is so messy, you guys, but because I'll be moving soon and because I'll be packing away the winter clothing very soon, I have not bothered doing much for this video. Next up, I don't even know what to pull next, you know, it's like a very surprising thing. Clean It Zero Cleansing Balm. Okay, I love cleansing balms. It's by a brand called Vanilla Co, and it says all-in-one sherbet type cleanser that softly melts on skin to remove makeup, exfoliate and hydrate in one simple step. I'm very impressed. So you guys need to know that my sister is not into, it has like a little kind of hologrammy thing that is closed. My sister's not into beauty at all. She's not into fashion or beauty. She does not care. So for her to know that I really like cleansing balms and to pick something like this, I think she did a better job than I would have done. For me, this is shocking. It has a very clean scent, but not very scented. Like, it's not very strong. Clean Zero Cleansing Balm Original. I'm very impressed, like really excited to try this. Next up, AC Clear Yuja Soap. Pore and Deep Cleansing, Fluffy Plant Bubble, Long Lasting Freshness. This is the plant-based soap. I don't really wash my face with soaps, but the soap looks very random. Looks very cleansy. Cleansy? How else can it look? You know what I mean? It looks very like something that you're gonna scrub your face with. I do have one soap in my shower, and sometimes I like when I have a lot of heavy makeup, I remove makeup and then I rub my like skin with the soap as well because it feels quite nice. Then here we have Print Tube Socks, which says Lucky 9 Print Tube Socks. What? Why did she give me socks? This is very lol. This is very my sister, like random, unexpected kind of surprise. She loves seeing my face. I'm sure she's gonna super love watching this video because she loves seeing my face. Oh, this feels really nice, this cotton. What does this say? Art is not a crime. Okay. I'm like the most artsy person in my family, and my whole family is a bit like lolzing about it, even though my parents, they actually collect art, but the art they collect is not the art that I like. I mean, I can appreciate it, but it's not my kind of art. So I'm the person that there was always like the black sheep in the family, and for that reason, I guess. Socks. What is this? Candy Drop Travel Plastic Makeup Sponge Carry. So this is amazing. Why don't I already have this? So smart. I will link everything below, by the way, in case any of you get inspired to get some of these creative innovations that my sister. So this is for your beauty blender, and this is amazing because then you can put a beauty blender in your bag or in your makeup bag and it's not gonna get dirty. I love this. This is genius. Genius. Usually like my best friend from back home, she kind of has stuff like this that are very innovative and different and cool. Then my sister knows her girl very well. She got me some Laneige, this berry and grapefruit one, and for some reason there's one open here that just dropped in, which is the Laneige peach. I actually love this stuff so much. This is my old one. I go through these like hotcakes. So kissable as well. What else did we get? So W dress from New York, 97 April cotton dress and living. This is your space, like a living space fragrance. How do I open it? I have no idea. I struggle, right? I just have to destroy it. Let's smell it. The packaging is not the best. Not very impressed, but smells like the cleanest clean softener, like fabric softener. Like clean cotton, beautiful. Love this scent. Okay, so this is amazing. Got this. I know what this is. I already had one and she always urges me to use it. It's called Lazy Corner Makeup Brush Cleansing Tool. So you put this on the back of your arm and then you clean your brushes. This is amazing. Like really useful. Maybe she wants me to have one in the new place too. What's going on with my hair today? Please, God help me. There is one pack coconut mask. I have so much free time at home right now that I'll be using. It's not really free time, but it's like time at home. I need to keep busy. Like I don't understand people that like never leave their home. What do they do at home? Please, I need some like guidance. Like I feel like my day has like 55 hours. I managed to do everything. I'm on top of the game. I'm gonna now like start like cleaning wardrobes and like doing I don't even know what.
So what, we just sit?
Next up, this is so cute. Holika, Lazy Enjoy. Why is it always called Lazy? Lazy Enjoy Dessert Hand Cream. Sweet dessert like cream set, hand cream set. So I love hand creams. At the moment I'm super obsessed by my Byredo one scented as Baldafrique. I love it. Shall we smell it? Let's smell it. This is too difficult to open. I'm sorry you guys. But they smell like some kind of like cream cheese, sherbet hand cream and custard hand cream. Okay, next up we have a pack of, I would think this is, yeah, like hyaluronic acid hand wash. Well, I mean, you tell me. So this is what I got. Nobody knows what it is. I mean, at least I don't. Hadalabo Gokujun Hyaluronic A. Well, I hope it's a hand wash. This is never ending. Okay, two things. W Dress Room More Moisturizing Perfume Hand Wash. I mean, my sister got this like before the coronavirus scare, by the way. There's a lot of hand wash, let's just say that. You can never really, you know, like, hand wash is never gonna be something that you're not gonna need, right? So that's at least good. Lavender Relaxing Massage and Body Oil. I'm actually very excited about this because I always love body oil. It's in a beautiful glass bottle. Let's try it on right away. I removed of my jewelry, by the way, and stuff before I went into my surgery. Oh, this smells like going into a massage. Maybe I need a massage.
Hello, yeah.
Oh, I love this. It's actually really relaxing. Beautiful. This is beautiful. Aromatica lavender relaxing massage and body oil. It's a vegan formula. Beta Glucan power moisture serum. Hyper moisturizing, nourishing and soothing care for skin elasticity. The reason why I love Korean skincare is because I have a lot of friends from Korea. Their skin is poreless, perfect, most divine texture thing I've ever seen in my life. I don't even know how it is possible, but I'm pretty sure it's down to the skincare. So I have actually purchased some of the products in the past that I believe are really good, but I do generally believe that products from Korea, like skincare products, have special properties in it and use special ingredients which are really much more potent than the products that we buy in our general sale. So Beta Glucan Power Moisture Serum. My sister said she did a research on the best products before she bought it. I just saw something at the bottom and I got very excited. This is my favorite foot cream. So I use two. I use the Shoal one, which is K+, or Skol, whatever you want to call it. I think it's called Shoal. And then Burt's Bees Coconut Foot Cream with vitamin E. This is the most divine foot cream ever. I actually struggle to find this, so I didn't even know they stocked it on YesStyle. It's 99.4% natural. It's incredible. Is this with Canola? But I'm not sure. Let's check. But it smells amazing. It's very sticky. Like, it's not like just lotion, but it's kind of sticky, and then the next day your feet are divine. It's amazing. I love it. I highly recommend it. Snowman Hand Warmer Mini. I mean, the spring is coming, sis. Maybe I need to buy you a calendar. I got a lot of Laneige Grapefruit. Sorry, it's just something that I'm just laughing at myself. Laneige Lip Sleeping Mask Grapefruit. Like, basically I have a lot of excess skin, and it's like, I promise it's not like double chin, but I need to hold my like neck properly, not like this, because I get all of this like skin. It's not even on my neck, it's like on my face, you see. I'm trying to be very like thinking about it because it looks ridiculous, but then I also don't care. So I got a lot of Laneige Grapefruit Lip Sleeping Mask. I think my favorite is perhaps Berry, but like any is very welcome. She got me the Berry lip balm as well, another one. She clearly notices that I love this. Then a random sponge. What the hell is this? Literally a sponge. No comment. Unique Propolis Vitamin. Oh, propolis I love, because I really strongly believe in propolis. And the first ingredient on the list of ingredients is propolis extract, and everything is in Korean. Using the dropper, gently apply an appropriate amount onto your face and let it absorb. Really interested. What is this? Socks. More socks. Wow. I actually love socks, and I never buy socks for myself, so this is very kind of my sister, and these are the kind of socks that I like to wear at home. Yes, I'm a child, and yeah, but I mean, like, when I actually do spend time at home, that's the kind of socks I wear. I don't wear them on dates, or not at least on the first date. Oh my god, and I got some fluffy little dog ones, or cat ones, or rabbit ones. I don't know what kind of animal this is. Please leave a comment below telling me what animal is this. Je ne sais pas. I really would not have a clue. Ooh, of course. This is called Self-Control. Well, a lot of people in my life will tell you that I'm a bit of a control freak. This is by the brand Misha. Near Skin Self-Control Peeling Mask. I love this. Peeling mask, yes. Home aesthetic product to help convenient skincare at home. Peeling massage. I'm very interested in this. Because at the moment, because I have a lot of like downtime, like I'll be at home a lot, I can do any kind of acid. This just looks like a peeling, actually. Let's see. We'll give it a go. Of course, like, some of these products, I'm going to try a lot of these products. I promise, you'll see. And then they will be featured in my favorites, and I will let you know which ones I really loved, because I cannot really know now, can I? There's a little scrub. Silicone Pore Cleansing Pad. Color chosen at random. So it's like a little pore cleansing pad, and I'm going to try and use this. Now that I'm at home, I'm going to get on this like little mission where I'm going to try and renew my skin to get this like poreless skin. I don't think I have like I'll come very close so you can see my skin very well. Can you see it? I don't have problem with pores. I have one scar here, which is due to chickenpox. I had chickenpox when I was 21. So unfortunate. I kid you not. I used to have the most perfect skin before my chickenpox. Like, I never had anything. And then my first chickenpox, sorry about like showing too much, but I feel like you will appreciate this. My first chickenpox that I got was here on my chest. It was like, what is this, like blister? I kept picking it and now it's scarred really badly. I'm thinking of removing it. And I also have a scar there, like, which I don't really like, and I have one in my eyebrow as well, and I think I have one here. With really right care and using a lot of good products, I really changed my skin. I really managed to kind of get a bit of like a smoother and better texture, but I feel like I could do better. So I'm gonna try and be very good with products and use a lot of like tools and products to try and like renew the texture of my skin. Acne and sensitive skin. Don't have either. Some kind of toner and oil cut cleansing. That's like, I think, a sample that I received in this little bag. Okay, next up we got a black sugar mask wash off from Skin Food and rice soft scrub. They look both like they're edible. I think they're not edible, but it's Skin Food rice mask and black sugar mask. What? Behind the scenes DNA monthly color lens, Destiny blue gin. Guys, did my sister get me contact lenses in color? Yes. Never in my life have I worn anything like this ever, not even for Halloween. Like, I don't think I'd be able to put in a contact lens. How do you put contact lenses in? I'm so excited, actually. I mean, not that I want to change my eye color, but what do I do with this? Wow, it's very green and blue. I want to kind of put in my eye now, but obviously that's not gonna happen, because is this like a K-pop kind of person? Another level fan. I don't think this is gonna even show in my eye. Like, I have such dark colored eyes. So I also got contact lens matte box, like contact lens box. Weird. Anyway, what else did I get? 28 days a cooling therapy by Medipeel. 28 days Medipeel cooling skin. What? Cooling therapy by Medipeel. 28 days Medipeel. What is this? Medipeel sounds like something I want. Manage burnt skin, reddish sensitive skin using cooling massage at the end of a hard day. Every day is hard. No, just kidding. Freeze Medipeel. Cooling skin inside the freezer for 3 or more hours and massage gently on areas of concern. We shall try anything, you know. Then we have something called the plant-based white truffle crystal clear serum, because I love truffle, of course, for sure. But what is this and what does it do? Ginseng extract, promise a healthy beauty, reduces puffiness, revitalizes skin. Brightening serum. Thank you, Tsetse. This is what I want. I'm gonna use this tonight. My lip balm in color red. Do not like. The plant-based time stop collagen ampule. I guess she's trying to tell me something. Okay, this looks very pretty. I'm gonna use this. This is like some kind of mushroom. 76.5% active ingredient from mushroom extract. That's impressive. Deep moist lip balm. I'm obsessed with lip balms, which is why I also received this one. This is the best lip balm. I already ordered this from YesStyle myself. Canola honey lip balm. I love anything honey related. Another Laneige, like a random Huda Labo lip balm. Honey mask. Jiri Mountain, Korea. After face wash, apply the mask to the entire face, avoiding eye area. Gently rinse off in 10 minutes to maximum of 1 hour. Do not store the mask into the fridge or cold place. Ooh, it's a proper honey mask. Does it smell like honey? That's what I want to know. No, but looks like honey. Who knows what kind of honey it is, you know? Like, different honeys smell different. And I know that because my dad loves this kind of stuff, bees and honey. Like, it doesn't do it, but like, it's a long story. Pillow mist, very nice. Mugwort Cream, sounds wonderful. Provides calmness to the sensitive skin gently with the pure energy of Ganga mugwort that is aged for 3 years against a harsh sea breeze. Experience the relaxing mood that soothes down your skin. Excited. I got a very random bookmarker. My sister knows how much I like to read. I read a lot and I love reading. It's like one big thing for me. And I got many sheet masks. I got Special Care hand mask, collagen eye pads, icing sweet bar sheet mask, hyaluronic acid essence mask, Special Care hand mask. Again, I guess my hands are not clearly good, and the solution nourishing face mask. And she also got me like a pack of vitamin C sheet masks because I'm obsessed with vitamin C. That's it, I'm just checking. This was it. I'm very excited to try these products. I love Korean skincare. Please let me know in the comments below if you have any good products that you would like to recommend me. I mean, the bookmarker though, love it. Let me know what to do when I'm at home, please. Like, this food situation is killing me. Thank you for following along. I love you and I'll see you soon.